The error code FC1 in a washing machine indicates that the drum is unable to rotate during use. This issue can be caused by several factors, including an obstructed drum, a faulty printed control board, PCB, or a malfunctioning motor. To resolve the error code FC1, it is essential to identify and address the underlying problem. One possible solution is to check for obstructions. Power down the washer, open the door, and inspect the drum for any foreign objects that may be blocking its rotation. Remove any blockages found and then plug the machine back in to test if the issue persists. Another potential cause is a faulty PCB. To inspect the PCB, shut off the washer, locate the drive motor and printed control board, and check for any signs of damage or burnt parts. If damage is found, consider replacing the PCB or repairing it, which may require a technician's services. Additionally, the washing machine's motor should be checked. To do this, switch off the washer, locate the motor, and remove its back panel using a screwdriver. Inspect the motor's wires to ensure they are not loose or damaged, and reattach any loose wires. If damaged parts are found, attempt to repair them. It is also recommended to test the motor's resistance using a multimeter. If the motor is in good condition, reassemble the washing machine.